Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Root Beer here with question number 18 on the 2018 Fermat paper. So let's have a look-see, shall we? Hopefully you've already taken at least a little look at this question, because I do try and encourage you guys to practice. But here we go, question 18. Suppose that m and n are positive integers with the square root of 7 plus square root 48 equal to m plus root n. Immediately I'm noticing 7 squared is 49, and then we've got 48 here. That's kind of interesting. Anyway, so this square root is the same as m plus the square root of n. The value of m squared plus n squared is... Okay, so what can we do here? Well, first things first, I would probably copy down the expression. This is all we know. And this is m plus the square root of n, and I really feel like squaring both sides. So we'll get m squared plus 2m root n, and then root n squared just becomes an n. Okay, so what can we do? Well, m squared and n are integers, so is 7. So here's a little sort of useful trick. I might say something to the effect of root 48 minus, I'll say 4m squared n. This side over here is an integer. This side over here is not. So we've got a bit of an issue, unless, of course, they're both equal to 0. Okay? This is a nice little trick. And so what does this mean? Well, it means that 7 is m squared plus n, and root 48 is the square root of 4m squared n. Squaring both sides, we get 48 is 4m squared n. Dividing by 4, 12 is m squared n. And so now I'm looking for two numbers that add to 7 and multiply to 12. We're looking at 4 and 3, and so since m and n are integers, m squared is 4, n is 3, and since they're positive, m is 2, n is 3, and what did we want? We want m squared plus n squared, so that's going to be 4 plus 9, 13. And there we go. And if we want to, we can even grab our calculator and double check. 7 plus square root of 48, square root that as well. Going to get a sort of horrible looking decimal number, but I can subtract off m, 2, and then square that, and I should get n, which is 3, and I do. Little confirmations there that we did everything right. I don't think there was a fast way. Usually with a question like this where we've got an m and an n, we're asked for an expression between the two. Sometimes there's a way to sort of combine numbers and figure out m squared plus n squared without m and n, but I think due to the presence of the m squared here, it was just, and here, it's just sort of really obvious. Figure out what m is and n is. I suppose I didn't have to square root it. I could have just squared the n from here and then done 4 plus 9, but would that really have saved any time? I don't think so. Okay, so 13 is our answer, and silly me going to the face cam because I'm vain, but we need to look for 13. There it is, it's E. So we bubble in E, and now I can go back to the face cam, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you for more of our 2018 Fermat paper in the next video. Until then, take care.